Okay, for this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract without regrouping and with regrouping. So the first question that I got here is from page 60 in your Jump Math 2.2 book. And the question is 67 take away 25, and you can see the question right here. So let's get started. When we subtract, we always take our first number and we're going to take away from that number this much. So here we're starting with 67. I need to take away 25 numbers from 67. We always build the first number. So let's build that right now, 67. So what does 67 look like? 67 has 6 tens, because this is the tens place, and 7 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there's 60, but I need 7 to make 67. So what do I need to grab? I need to grab some ones. So there's 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and 67. So there is 67. And if you want to double check, you can always count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Now I need to take away 25. So what does that mean? How do I know how much 25 is? We can look at the place value. So in the number 25, we have 2 tens and 5 ones. So that's what I need to take away. We always start with the ones first. So let's take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take those right off my board. Then we need to take away 2 tens. So let's take that away. 1, 2. What's my answer? So let's count how much I have left. So I have 4 10 sticks left, 10, 20, 30, 40, and I have 2 ones. So this is 40. What comes after 40? 41, 42. So my answer is 42. So I'm going to write that down on here. 42. A way to double check to make sure that is the right answer is you can subtract the ones first and then subtract the 10. So let's start with the ones. Here I have 7, and then I need to take away 5. If you have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you take away 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what are you left with? 2. 7 take away 5 is 2, so that's correct. 6 take away 2. So let's try making 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's take 2 of them away. 1, 2. What are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 take away 2 is 4. So the answer to 67 take away 25 equals 42. Now I want to try a question where we're going to have to use our regrouping skills. Here I have the question 63 take away 47, and I got this question here from page 63 in our Jump Math 2.2 book, 63 take away 47. So let's try that question right now. When we subtract, we always take the bigger number and we subtract the smaller number. So we have to build this top number right here, 63. 63 has 6 tens and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I need 3, so I gotta grab some ones. 61, 62, 63. All right, I need to take away 47. When we're subtracting, we always take away the ones first. So I have 3, and I need to take away 7. Okay, can I take away 7? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I do not have enough. What do I have to do? So this is when we use regrouping. Regrouping means when we take one of our 10 sticks, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this 10 stick and we're going to break it into 10 little ones, because a 10 stick is made up of 10 ones. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it off to the side, I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now, can I take away 7? Yes, I can. Now I have way more ones. I can take away 7 of them. So let's take 7 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, those are off the mat. Perfect. So now I took away the 7 ones. I need to take away 4 10s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s left, because remember I had to use one of them to regroup into 10 little ones. Can I take away 4? Yes, I have enough. So let's take away 4 of these 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What am I left with? So let's count. I have 1 10 stick left, so that's 10. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my answer is going to be 16. We don't have to use blocks. I know some of you might not have the blocks, or you don't want to do it that way because it takes a little bit more time. You can also just do this question right on your board with your pencil and your paper. You don't need blocks to do it. I'm going to show you how we can do it without the blocks. Right, so here I have 63 take away 47. We found out with the blocks that the answer is 16. Let's see if I can get the answer without using my blocks. So remember, when we subtract, we always subtract the ones first. Here I have 3, and I need to take away 7. If I have 3, can I take 7 away? No, I cannot take 7 away, so I'm just going to get rid of that. We have to borrow a 10 stick, or we need to regroup one 10 stick and bring it over to the 1 section. So I'm going to go over here to the 6. I'm going to take one of the 10 sticks away. So what's 6 take away 1? 6 take away 1 is 5. I'm going to take that 10 stick over here where the 3 is. I only had 3 ones, but now I borrowed a 10. So I have 1 10 stick now and 3 ones. So I have 13 ones now. Can I take away 13 from 7? Yes, I have enough ones. So 13 take away 7. If you count backwards, it's going to be 6. Okay, and now we're going to go over and do the 10s section. So the 10 side, we had 6, but now we have 5 because we had to borrow one of those 10s. It's over here now. So we have to do 5 take away 4. What's 5 take away 4? 1. My answer is 16. If you want to use the blocks, you can just make little strips of paper to make a 10. So you can just make little rectangular strips of paper to make yourself some 10s, and you can make little tiny squares for 1s if you want, or you don't even need to use the blocks at all. You can just do everything by hand and you'll get the answer that way. I hope this video has helped with subtraction without and with regrouping. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me, leave a comment below, and I would love to help you out if you're still a little bit confused. Remember, practice, practice, practice. That's the way this is going to become super easy for you. Have a good time subtracting.